Alright, time for some eBay crap videos. A box of crap came in today. See what I bought. Rest assured it's probably crap. Definitely crappy box. Import cardboard. Oh, it's eBay junk. eBay's got a new policy on bidding. It really sucks. So they make you put a credit card or a payment source online, and now they automatically pay per auction. So you pay full shipping per part instead of combining. So I won 3 or 4 things the other day. So that was one box to ship this. And there's another box to ship that. And there'll be another box to ship the other part I won. I think I got 5 boxes coming in one deal because I didn't combine them. They just charged me shipping every time. So winds up costing a lot of money. I just bought one part last night. It was $2. It cost me 15 bucks because it was all shipping. It pissed me off. I hate that. But oh well. It's eBay for you. They're always trying to save you and protect you. Alright, so this is an AMS. 74, so it fits 74 and later. This is a license plate alarm system. I recognize the box and I know what the part is. Let's see here. This thing opens up. So it looks like it was $16.95. It was $148 if you had all these numbers together. That'd be a lot of shipping to get to $148. So 17, a 20 something, a 37, a 20 something. I think they're doing their math on something. So there you go. Installation, operating instructions. So this is a license plate motion sensor alarm system. This is top of the line technology for 1974. So basically there's a micro switch in here. When you jiggle it, it goes off. So nice Harley Davidson license plate frame, that's pretty neat. Alright, so where's that thing mounted? I guess it mounts to these 2 small holes right here, would be my guess. That's probably what the screws are for here. Put your license plate in here, obviously. So this would mount to your frame in here. Oh, there's your 3-way bracket right there. So, whoop, get it down low enough you can see. I'm not watching the camera. So your 3 mounting systems right here. So that's your factory license plate frame. So when you take off that slip-up bracket, there's a bolt there. So allow you to hold it 3 spots, I'm guessing. So this is probably the hardware here for it. Oh, mounting hardware. It says right on what it is. So this is your security system 1, 2, and security conversion kit. Alright. That makes it sound very important. Park motorcycle on center stand. Oh, I guess you're supposed to work on it. These instructions aren't going to work very good. There's not very many pictures here. So there's a bolt and a screw that goes through plastic that'll hold it to your license frame. That's probably in that little baggie over there. Here's your lean detection. So if you put it on the side stand, it probably goes off. If you put it on the center stand, it probably doesn't go off. So that means if you have this thing on a side stand, it probably is worthless. I bet you they don't tell you that. Let's see, what can we do to adjust that? Loosen screws holding mercury switch, adjust brackets, illustrate, push brackets down so that micro will not make contact with 2 metal connections in the bulb. So maybe there's a way of adjusting in there so you can compensate for your tilt. I would guess that's something to do with this here, right here, probably. So that means you can actually put on your kickstand and it wouldn't go off. Damn, they think of everything over there. They must have some really good engineers. Yeah, boy, that is some really top of the line technology there. This is your problem solving problem. So, cyclist. That sounds like a bicyclist to me. Disturbed by aircraft. Oh, disturbed by aircraft, police, radio transmission when sleeping. Oh, don't park near the airport where the cops are at. Alright, well there you go. That's what it looks like. Get them on eBay, they're still out there. Put one on your bike, see how long it lasts before it falls off. There you go.